Hi everyone! This video is all about how to make a balloon zebra, but I have a plot twist for you. Some balloons, if you think about it, are really the same when I have a long list of dog, cat, butterfly, flower, sword, snake, monkey, giraffe, ladybug, turtle, elephant, bunny, bicycle, horse, fish, bird, pig, alligator, zebra, cheetah, lion, tiger, bear, oh my. Some of them are actually the same, but how we design it or the colors we use are what make the difference. So in another video, you might have seen the ladybug and the turtle are the exact same thing, the same body, but for the ladybug, we use the red balloon with the black spots, and then with the Sharpie, and then we use a turtle, we use the green balloon with the shell drawing with the Sharpie. But if you look at video number 13, you will see that the horse balloon or the pony balloon are already there. And that is how you make a zebra, because really it's the same idea, the same body. You're gonna have the mane, you're gonna have the neck that you roll through the mane, and the body is the exact same. But for a zebra, typically, if people want a typically colored zebra, which would be white with black lines, then all you have to do is choose to make the horse or the pony that we've already made in the other video. I can even link it in the caption or the comment below so that you can go straight to it. And you would just choose it to be white. And then I add some nice little eyes, a mouth, and then of course the lines on all around so that it makes a nice little zebra. So, tiny little secret. There's a few others where you'll find that as well. That is how you make the zebra, is that it's really the horse or the pony, balloon, and body, and then you just make it colorful the ways that you would like. There's your zebra, surprise! Enjoy, and remember, that is amazing.